Hi guys, this is open box review and the installation demo for BASENOR Mudflaps or Mud Guard for Tesla Model Y 2025. I even ordered this one before my delivery day of Tesla, so this is the first accessory we want to put it on. Here's the material is the TP thermoplastic elastomer, and also with the label which part for which side of the car. And here's a pin, the wrench that you're gonna need it. And here are all the tools you need for installation. I put those pin pliers to remove the original pin from the Tesla. If you don't have that one, you can use a Phillips head. Also has a towel, has the embedded pins, and also has a set of 4 mud flaps. The first thing you need to clean the fender, make sure it's ready because you don't want to embed it any dirts. And then the second one, I just using the pin pliers to remove all the pins. It's very easy if you have the right tool for the right job. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. You can just using Phillips head to remove it. Now we'll first install the driver side flap. And it's pretty easy. You just snap in, and then when you put those metal clips, you have to push it as close as the fender, and then you put it on. And here on the rear side fender, and you have to remove those metal knots and then put it on, and you have those 2 pins you just snap on. And on the top one there's a little knots, and you have to nuts on, so you have 3 point. On the bottom side here is the original metal nuts, and you have put it on. Now this is the rear side flap, and this is the front side flap. Looks very clean and very cool. Now it looks around all 4 mud guards. Beautiful, fit perfectly. As I said, this is the first thing you want to put on the car. I'm really happy with the quality, no drill, easy to install, and also match the Tesla style. I really like it.